Hi everyone and welcome back to DevPortal. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss the map data structure in Java. A map stores data in key value pairs, which make it ideal when we need to look up the values by specific keys. Let's walk through the key implementation of maps in Java and explore practical examples. First, let's discuss the definition. A map is a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique and values can be duplicated but keys cannot. Maps are perfect for situations where we need to associate the key with specific values such as names with phone numbers or product IDs with prices. There are basically three key implementations of map interface in Java: HashMap, LinkedHashMap and TreeMap. First, let's talk about HashMap. They does not maintain any order of the elements and they are having high performance when it comes to insertion, deletion and retrieval. Now let's look at an example to understand that in a better way. I will show you how to create HashMap and how we can access it using in our code. So first let me write HashMap and I will store string comma string as a key value pair and name will be the phone book suppose and new HashMap I will write. Let me import, and to add the elements in map we need to use the put method. So let me write phone book dot put. First element will be the key, second element will be the value. So both are strings. So first let me write phone book. First name will be the my name Nakul and phone number let me write 123456789 Same way let me add few more values here. So dot put and name let me give Harika and value let me add 987654321 Let me add one more key value pair. Put name suppose Janet and value 234-456-8901. So now what I will do, I will add sysout statement and we will see that it is printing the map but order will not be maintained. So let me save and run the code. So you can see in this example we stored names as key and phone number as values in HashMap. Since HashMap does not maintain order, the output may not be in same order as the insertion. This is about HashMap. Now let's discuss about LinkedHashMap. LinkedHashMap maintain the order of insertion of the elements, but it is slightly slower compared to HashMap because of extra overhead of maintaining the order. Let me show you that as well. So first let me remove this. So let me create the object first, HashMap. This time I will store string comma integer pair and it will be the product prices equal to new HashMap, and let me import this first. And again we need to use the put method to insert the key value pair. So product prices dot put. First will be the laptop and I need to add the price. Suppose I am adding 60,000. Same way let me add few more key value pairs. Put this time smartphone and this will be the 50k and product prices dot put one more key value pair let me add. This time suppose I am adding simple phone. This is 2000. Now what I will do, let me add sysout statement and we will see that this time it will maintain the order of the insertion. Sysout and let me write product map product prices. Let me run the code and you can see in the console it is printing the elements in the order which we have inserted. So in this example we use the linked hash map to store products and their prices. The order in which the elements are added, it is maintained when we have print the map. Now let's discuss about TreeMap. TreeMap stores the elements in the sorted order based on the keys, useful when we need the data to be sorted automatically. Now let's look at example for that as well. So first I need to create the object. So let me remove this code and I will create TreeMap object first. Again it will be the string comma integer pair, and this time let me add scores of the people. Scores equal to new TreeMap. Let me import this, and again we need to use the put method to insert the key value pair. So scores dot put. First let me add mine knuckle. It will be suppose 8. Now scores dot put again. Let me add Janet. This will be 9, and scores dot put this time Harika. Score is 10. Now let me add sysout statement, and the order of sorting will happen on the key, not on the values. That one thing we need to remember. So scores, if I print, so you can see it is sorted on the keys. So here we use the TreeMap to store students' name and their scores. Notice that the elements are automatically sorted by keys in the alphabetical order. Now let's discuss when to use each map implementation. We can go for HashMap when we need fast performance and does not care about the order of elements. We can go for LinkedHashMap when the order of insertion matters for us, and TreeMap when we need the elements to be sorted by the keys. To sum up, maps are essential part of Java's collection framework. They allow us to store and retrieve data efficiently using key value pairs. Depending on our use case, we can choose between HashMap, LinkedHashMap and TreeMap. In the next tutorial, we are going to see what is hash code, how it is getting generated in Java, and what is hash collision. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the new content on DevPortal. And I will see you in the next video.